So I have a new product again. This is a tripod. It is a Vanguard. Not sure if this is necessarily the best, but this is something I needed for the moment. So let's just open this up. Aha! There we go. So, nothing. What do we have here? There's the opening. Okay. Okay, that's not bad. And oh, it's got a little lever. So that's good. I like that. There's a little mount thing here, so I guess that's that switch. See if I can get that out. On this, which this is what I've used to record all my content before. This is my Nikon D3300. So let's see. Okay, so it's got a little screw thingy. So let's go ahead and do that. So it opens from here. How do I get this to go back in? Okay, so either I'm doing this wrong, because I'm pretty sure that should have been a lot easier, but it's on there. Can it tilt? No, I don't think it can tilt. That's not good. Oh, there it goes. Just lock that. So it tilts this way. Swivel, so. Oh, yeah. That's pretty good. It can tilt, so yeah, that's awesome. Clearly I'm holding it's reversed because I'd put this on the other side around, but yeah, there you go. So I got a little tripod now, so that's good. I can connect it to my cameras now. Yay! Alrighty. I probably have to do those later, but alright guys, take care.